There is so much fun to be had today. I finally got an action camera with a chest strap. I'm going to try to film Tron today and see how it turns out. Pretty soon we're going to be walking through there for the parties.
I was just thinking that. I was trying to count in my head. Today's the 17th, right?
Yes.
23 days
Woo.
until
and we'll be sweating for Halloween in August. I know. Still trying to figure that one out.
You guys have any ideas for costumes? Let us know.
Yeah.
Nothing hot. I have to freeze.
Yes.
It must be Disney. It can be crossover.
Yeah. Star Wars, Marvel, whatever.
Yeah. I like
Every idea I had for a character costume, like I was like, oh, something from Marvel, like Black Widow, or something from Star Wars, like Sabine Wren, and then I was like, all of those people wear long bodysuits.
Sweaty.
Yeah, it ain't happening. Maybe if we were going in, you know, October, but maybe not even then, because it's hot here.
Save that for Christmas.
Yeah, that wouldn't work. Save that for MegaCon. That's indoors.
Yeah. I'm thinking like a skirt with the crinoline under it, but soft crinoline, so I don't sweat.
I don't know. Those are pretty sweaty. Take it from the once ballerina who wore tutus all the time. They're pretty hot. It's yet to be determined.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, even Tomorrowland is busy today. That's a busy park day. Woo! I haven't seen it like this in a while in person. I know there's been a couple of days here hit and miss, but most of the days have been pretty empty for the most part. Not today. Space Mountain's a bit backed up. We are headed to Tron. Prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron. Great.
Kind of tingly.
Would have been great if it was going by right then.
Wouldn't it?
Ah, timing. There we go. First time riders, right? Awesome.
First time in the Magic Kingdom. You said
First time Magic
Disney
Kingdom,
World.
first time Disney World. I'm thrilled about this. I loved the movie when I was a kid.
Awesome.
We're excited for you.
Yes.
We're gonna record you taking off.
Yes.
So cool.
Have an awesome time, guys.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence. In 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
First time riding with glasses. Oh yeah. It's fun every time.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
So you go check out the full POV, because that was just clips. You'll be riding with us.
We are going to check out what's in the Tomorrowland Launch Depot. Definitely have a lot of Tron merchandise in here. This Tron is just around the corner. I haven't seen these yet. These are pretty cool. I'm loving the arcade retro looking action figure set there. That's cool. That looks like the original Tron right there. The ride is more so based off of Legacy, which was the sequel. But they definitely have a lot of nods to the original Tron from the 1970s here. Vintage identity disc. Here's the Legacy sets. So this would be your newer movie that the ride is actually based on. What's cool about this shop is you actually have a place where you can make your own Tron action figure, and you can put a digital version of your face in it, called the Identity Program. Scan your face and put it inside. There's the lounge fly. The mug is awesome, but I don't know how easy it would be to use. It is. Very cool. I like the photo display. Water bottles are pretty cool too, actually. Light up keychain. Game on. Here's the whole set. Shows both sides of the mug there. I'm really loving the new Tomorrowland? No, I don't think so. I'm really loving the new Tomorrowland sets that they have. I got Tron and Tomorrowland mixed up.
That's cool.
Isn't that awesome?
That is really cool.
I love that. It's even got the people mover on it. What's the back look like on this one? Oh, look at the back. It's got the monorail.
Oh, cool.
Space Mountain Tron. That is really cool. There's Stitch even. That one gets an A+ from me. I like that one a lot.
Cool.
There's the Spirit jersey that has Stitch on it. It has the same design on the back, and then it says Tomorrowland. The really awesome ears. I actually really like these ears. They're
like
$34.99.
I really like those too.
So that's your standard price for ears. Sometimes they're a little bit higher depending on if they're a little bit fancier version, better materials and stuff like that, but they're really well made. A bucket hat, are those still a thing? I know they came back, but I thought maybe they wouldn't be hanging around that long. Apparently they are.
Gilly.
90s. This is also a cool mug, but definitely couldn't use that. Like, there's no drinking out of that. That's just for decoration. But how neat is
I
that?
had those stuck up my nose.
That comes off. That's a lid. You definitely would if you left it on there. I wouldn't suggest that. Do you think they sell these tennis shoes? That's my question. No, they do not.
No brand name or anything.
No. There's the Turvis tumbler. Has the same design on it. So does the T-shirt. The T-shirt does have stuff on the back. That's cool. I'm really liking these prints. There's the Lounge Spy with the same design. Has Space Mountain on the side. On this side, it has Tomorrowland sign. I like how the monorail kind of sticks up there. That's cool. It does have a front zipper pocket and 2 side pockets. This ornament is also really cool because if you pull it, it spins. Just like Astro Orbiter. A lot more Tron merchandise over here. There is pretty much everything you could want as far as Tron goes. They've even got helmets. Bags and hats. Some ball caps. They also do have Star Wars and a little bit of Marvel in here as well. Really huge water bottles. Some mugs and bags. Ears and hats as well. Disney made stuff, so this is made to order. You get custom watch bands and phone cases. Not just Tomorrowland stuff either. There's Remy up there from Epcot, so it just kind of depends what they have. You might check each area. They might have something you're not expecting. You never know. Lots of Tron Light Cycle gear. More Star Wars.
Vintage.
Yes.
You know, like it's just really cool how they made that look so vintage.
Does that have a veil?
It does.
Oh, it's like a cape.
Yeah,
I get it. Cool.
that is really cool.
Edna would not approve. I feel like that's a
No capes.
right. That's a time for disapproving Kevin face. Remember disapproving Kevin? Yeah.
I can't quite do it like that.
Edna would disapprove, and she would tell Kevin to make a disapproving Kevin face. Also, look for sales. They've been doing a lot more sales lately, and usually your additional discounts do apply. So, like DVC, pass holder discounts, those kind of things. Here you have some Marvel stuff. Cool tip on these, this bow is actually removable. So if you're not into the bow, you can snap it off and just have the ears.
I'm not into the bow.
Yeah, I wish they would make more ears that way because I think that's awesome.
Yeah, so you could do the bow or not do the bow?
Yes.
To bow or not to bow? That is the question of the ears today.
Quite a bit of Marvel stuff in here actually, which is cool. There's a Tony Stark one.
Oh, I love it.
That's cool.
I'm not a genius or a billionaire or a philanthropist, but I do
Sort of.
play one on TV.
Oh, you mean the genius billionaire part? I don't think we play that either. We do like to give. We encourage other people to give too. Find great organizations to give to. Like Give Kids a Whirl. Mini stages of Groot. I like this one's got like a vintage vibe too. You see that
I
one?
know, isn't it cool?
What would you call that? 70s or 80s?
Mine. I call it mine. I call that mine. I don't know. Early 80s.
Early 80s, okay. Because I'm getting like a Gold Verbs type of vibe off of it.
What'd I
so
say,
Early 80s, yeah. Which makes sense because Star Wars, wait, that's not Star Wars. Marvel. My brain was on Star Wars. Like Star Wars debuted in the, okay.
I'm gonna give you that Kevin look.
Right, disapproving Kevin. My brain's still tired apparently. There's a tiny section of NASA stuff right here too, which is cool.
Very cool.
Even got a shuttle launcher. Some astronaut toys. That's awesome. Very peaceful Grogu. Space Mountain is still a pretty long line. We are now headed over to the Frontierland area in general to see if we can catch a showing of Country Bear Jamboree because it is the opening day. Thanks for joining us as always. We hope you have a really blessed week. See you all next time.
See you real soon.